Kids should not perform this experiment without adult supervision.
Let's learn how the candles are blown off in presence of CO2. Take an empty glass. Now put 3 lighted candles in a row. Take another empty glass. Put some soda in the empty glass. Now pour some vinegar into it. Now take this glass with soda and vinegar near an empty glass so carbon dioxide passes to it. Now take the glass with carbon dioxide and move over candles. Wow! The carbon dioxide from the glass blow the candles. Morales, when you mix baking soda and vinegar, you produce carbon dioxide. Now flame needs oxygen to sustain and carbon dioxide acts as fire extinguisher.